Well, right now. Okay.
Okay, okay. So,
Okay.
yeah, how are
So,
you?
yeah, I'm doing great. So, what about you?
I'm doing pretty well. Yeah,
Okay,
so
nice.
this is first conversation, so please introduce yourself.
Yeah, actually, my name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am homemaker as well. I am running the YouTube channel. I have completed MCOM. So, that's it about me. So, please
Okay.
give me your introduction. Yes.
Yeah, sure. My name is Kalpana Gangwar. I'm from UP. And if I talk
Yes.
about my qualification, I am MA BEd.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And I am also a homemaker and I run a YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Okay, nice. That's good. So, ma'am, why are you learning English? What purpose do you have behind it because you are learning English?
Yeah, actually, I am passionate about this language since my childhood. Yeah, but
Okay,
I'm
okay, nice.
English, but my I'm trying to at the time I'm trying to do my speaking. I
Okay,
want
nice.
paint. I want to be a good speaker in English.
Okay, okay, yes. So, ma'am, do you have any question? Sorry, do you have any topic to discussion?
Yeah, no, I have no topic. If you have, then you can.
Actually, I have a topic to discussion. What is the important education and degree?
Okay. Yeah. So I would talk about first.
Yes, I think according to my perceptions that because education is very important than degree. Actually, when you have more much knowledge and then you get very good job, better job.
Yes, yes.
I think according to me, knowledge is very important than degree. I have lots of I have lots of degree right now, but I don't have any job. This times I am totally free at my home. So I think I feel something like this. I don't have more much knowledge. I can't speak English because I think you know very well you are learning English. Speaking English, I think speak English is a language, but this language is very important. You have good language, you can get the better job.
Yes, you are right.
So
Most of the people in India
yes,
who have more degree, but
yes,
they are jobless. They are not doing any work. They have not much knowledge about the other fields. So
yes,
degree is not important for us.
yes. Yes.
Education is important. When we have we learn, we have a good education. Yeah, we
Yes,
can show our talent. We can teach. We can do anything
yes.
if you have great knowledge.
Yeah, actually, I'm not telling because education, a degree is not important. Degree is important as well, but I think compare between I think degree and knowledge. So knowledge is very important, more much.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah, right. Okay.
yes.
So, any. So, do you have a kid?
No, actually, unfortunately, I don't have any kid. So that's
No.
why I am learning English because this time I have lot more much time for improving English.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. You live in a village or a city?
No, actually, I belong to small village.
Okay. So, at this
Yes.
time, you are living in a village.
Yes, this times I am staying. I have been staying in village.
Okay. That's a
Yes.
good job, and you are doing good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And tell me
yeah,
about
please.
your.
Yeah, actually, my hobbies. First of all, I like learning the English because this is my first choice as a childhood. Because when I went to the college and then I decided to learn English, but some because of some reason I couldn't learn English. After getting married, I have a good opportunities as a mobile, as a device. So then I started learning English. And another thing, I like to listening the music, and I like to learn new things. That's it.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
So
please
what
tell me about your hobbies.
my hobbies are singing, dancing, and listening music, and reading books which is related in English.
Okay, actually, I don't like reading the books, because I know I can speak English well, but I don't have more much vocabulary. When I speak English in front of other people, so because I think because of vocabulary, I couldn't speak English. I think this is a very big problem. Yes, but I don't know how to learn my vocabulary.
Yes, when you will speak, then that
Yes.
time you learn more new things from others. When you watch anything, when you read anything, then you can learn
Yes.
very more now. And
Yeah, you
now.
are visible right now. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah. So, yeah, please continue your conversation.
Yes, yes. So if you read books, and if you watch and listen English related content, then you
Yes.
can learn more vocabulary.
So please, ma'am, first again start your conversation, because
Okay.
how to learn vocabulary.
Yes, you can. In this way, you can learn more vocabulary.
Yes.
Yes, yeah. You read. You can read books.
Yes.
Yeah, you can watch and listen English related content. Then you can learn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. That's good.
Use all these vocabulary in your speaking, then you can learn easily.
Yes, actually, all the times I think because I should learn vocabulary kind of this, but when I use in conversation, so that times I forget all things. Because
Yeah,
yes, yes, I think this is a very big problem for me
Yeah.
when I start speaking. Yes,
Yeah.
it's okay. I will. Okay. Sorry for interrupting to you again. Actually, my brother is calling again and again. So, yes. So, do you have any question to discussion?
yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, have you ever visited any other state?
No, actually, ma'am, no, I haven't gone to other side. Actually, I belong to Himachal Pradesh, but I got married in Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, at this time you are in Jammu Kashmir, and
These times I have been staying in Himachal Pradesh because
Himachal
my
Pradesh.
mother is a little bit sick, so that's why.
okay,
Yes.
that's a good thing. And what do your husband do?
Actually, my husband is a government employee, policeman.
Okay,
Yes.
I think. Yeah. You have a question that you can ask.
Yeah. Please tell me about yourself. What does your
Yeah.
husband?
Yeah, my husband. He has a hardware shop.
Okay. Okay. Nice. That's good. Okay. Okay. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have a one kid.
Okay. Okay.
And
How
he-
do you learn English apart from this thing?
Apart from this, I'm doing when I get free, then I watch some videos and
Okay.
listen to this and reading
Okay.
books. Yeah,
Okay.
and get free, then I take having a session with someone.
Okay.
In the
Okay. Nice.
whatever thought comes in my mind, I write down in a notebook. So in this
Okay.
way, I'm trying to improve my speaking skills.
Okay, okay. Actually, because all the times I watch English video and then I have some session, and I don't read any book, I don't write anything, only
Okay.
watching and speaking. But I
Yeah.
think this thing is very good for improving English. I since when I have been learning English, I have learned lots of things through speaking and watching.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how long have you been learning this language?
I think I have been learning English for long times. I think 3-4 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this
Constantly.
times yes, ma'am. Actually, these times I can speak English well. I can manage when I start speaking with other person. But sometimes I get stuck because of vocabulary. So that I
Yeah.
get confused how to say, how to start speaking. Because that times
Yeah.
my mind totally blank. Yes.
To all with all learners.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
But I can manage.
So,
Yes.
okay. So, now you want to wind up the session?
Okay, it's okay as you wish.
Yes.
So yes, I have to make the some lunch. So right now, and I will meet up next time. Okay, I
Yeah.
will send you message on Instagram.
Okay.
I will
I want.
meet up next time. Yes, ma'am. And I will
Hey,
send you message on Instagram.
okay.